Hi, kindergartners. My name is Mrs. Compton, and I'm so glad to see you today. I wanted to introduce myself to you. I am a teacher in Manhattan Beach, and I love to play with numbers. And I love to learn all about the way that kids think with numbers and with pictures. And so this year during distance learning, and when we get back to the classroom, I'm going to be playing with numbers with you. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think and how you are seeing different things in different ways. So up first, we're going to do our very first lesson together. All right, I'll see you in just a second. Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to start with a notice and wonder. Did you guys see I put some funny eyeballs here, like emoji eyeballs? And that's because when we notice and wonder, we're really using our eyes to see and think and learn all that we can. So underneath this little gray screen, I have some shapes for you. And I want you to think about all the things you can notice and even what you wonder about these shapes. So here they are, and I want everyone to hit pause right now so that you can think about all the things you can notice and wonder. Okay, so maybe you've had your time now and you said you've gotten some noticings and wonderings. So maybe you noticed that there are two orange shapes right here. Everybody show me two on your fingers right now. Show me. Yeah, two fingers come up. 1, 2. All right. So maybe you said you knew that this was one. And then here's another one. This one would make two orange shapes if we had them all together and we were counting them like this, right? 1 and 2. All right. Maybe you noticed that there were 1, 2, 3 of the purple shapes. Let's write that down. 1, 2, 3 purple shapes. And that's how you'd write that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, show me 3 fingers, quick. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe you even said, I know the names of these. So did anyone know the names of these shapes? Is this a square or is it a rectangle? What do you think? A square has it's the same size on all 4 sides. Is this side longer? It looks longer to me. I think this side's longer, so that means it's not a square. It is a rectangle. Everybody say rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, maybe you even knew that this was called a special name here. These are called triangles. So we had 3 purple triangles. And maybe you even noticed that there were 1, 2, 3 points on a triangle. And tri actually means 3. Like when you're learning how to ride a tricycle, it has 3 wheels on it. So maybe you noticed that. And maybe you noticed that there were, let's see, 1, 2, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes all together. And maybe, I'm going to guess, but I'm going to think that maybe some people even said, well, 2 of these plus 1, 2, 3 of the triangles would make 5 shapes. So maybe some of you even realized that 2, this is the symbol plus. Like when we're putting things together and we want to use the plus sign, this is our plus sign, 2 plus 3 makes, this is our equal sign, so it makes something, or it's equal to something. So this is 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right. Did anyone have any wonderings? I wonder if anybody did. If you had a wonder, can you please tell me in the comments? I would love to hear what you were wondering about. All right. And now we're going to play a new game. Here it comes. And this game is called Flash. That means I'm going to show you something in a flash. And I want you to think about how many dots there are and how you see them. Now, I'm not talking about these dots. Those dots are supposed to be there right now. There's some dots that are hiding. Okay, so everybody get your blinks out. Blink your eyes for me. Get your eyes ready. I'm going to show you in a flash. I'm going to show you 2 times. Here we go. How many dots are there? How do you see them? Okay, I'm going to show you again. Are you ready? Okay, hopefully you had enough time to think. So, how many dots are there and how did you see them? Let's find out. Aha. Maybe you said that there were 5 dots. Maybe you said 6 or 7 dots. Let's find out. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder if you knew there were 6 dots by counting one by one, or maybe you had a strategy for counting. I'm going to guess some of your strategies. I'm going to guess maybe some of you said, and you did count by ones, and you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe some of you thought about it like that. Maybe some of you did it a different way, though. Let's get another way going. Maybe, I wonder, did anyone move a dot in their head? Let's see. Maybe somebody moved this dot up here in their minds. Did anyone do that? Maybe you just knew that 3, let's see if I can get that done. 3 and another 3 would make 6. Did anybody know that? Maybe you used your fingers to help you count. 3 plus 3 makes 6. Aha, maybe some of you thought about it like that. Okay, I have one more guess. Let's see. I'm going to erase my red lines here. We'll put one more guess. Okay, so let's see. It was like this, right? So maybe some of you thought about it in groups of 2. I wonder, did anybody look at groups of 2? You'll have to tell me if you did. Okay, so maybe you did a group of 2 here, and maybe you did a group of 2 here, and a group of 2 right here. How many groups of 2 are there? Tell me, how many groups of 2 are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 2. And maybe you knew that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or maybe you even counted like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't wait to hear how you actually saw these in your head. It's always fun to learn new ways of thinking with other people. Okay, now here's our next thing that we're going to do together. I think this is really fun. So your teacher has this sheet for you, and it's called Roll and Record. So it might have a number 1 down here, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, or it could even have a picture of a 1, a picture of a 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. And up here, the little girl is saying, which number will get to the slide first? So we'll have to roll this dice here. You're going to roll your dice at home and find out which number gets to the slide first. Okay, so let's try it together. I'm going to roll my dice. Ooh, and I got a 4. Okay, so now I'm going to find my number 4 on my sheet. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I'm going to color in one rectangle for number 4. There we go. I colored it in the best that I could. Okay, so let's do another one. Ready? I got a number 6. I'm going to color a number 6 in. So this is number 6 right here. I'm going to shade that in. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, I got a 3. Do you think I'll ever get another 3 or 4 or 6? I don't know. I could. Let's find out what happens. Oops. Ooh, a 2. Oh my goodness. I'm getting all new numbers every time. This is pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, I did it again. Oh, I got another 6, you guys. Because I know 3 and 3 make 6, so I have another 6. Well, because I already have a green one right here, I'm just going to fill in another one right on top of it. So let's see what that looks like. Ooh. So now it looks like number 6 is winning, and 5 and 1 are in last place. They don't have anything. And 2, 3, and 4 are tied for second. Okay, let's roll one more time. Ooh, I got a 2. So now 2 and 6 are tied. So what do you think? Who's going to win? Who's going to get to the slide first? Which number will it be? All right, kids, it's your turn to do this at home. Make sure you have your die ready and this roll and record sheet. See you next time. Bye.